I wonder why the BLM, why we're not taking the hardwoods.
I don't know.
Cause just cutting them, they're gonna regrow. They gotta put that stuff on the stump if they don't want them to regrow.
What do they call that, hack and squirt?
Yeah. Boy, that stuff works good too.
Really?
Oh, we did a unit I did with Stacy. They went back through and did that to the stumps, and not a one of them regrew.
How does that work? You have to like cut into it?
No, if you get it when it's pretty fresh like this, and then you just kind of dot around it, and they actually put like dye in it, so it comes up green or blue or whatever. So when you're going back through, you got that stump.
Okay.
At that job I did with Stacy, they did that, and the guy he said, "Oh, I'll do it for 25 cents a stump because that ground ain't steep, nothing." He went through and did like half of it, and then come back and wanted to renegotiate the price, and they were like, "Oh no, I don't think that's the way it works." And he's like, "Well, that ground is really, really steep," and they're like, "You couldn't tell that by just looking at it?" I can't believe the way the wind is pushing them lines around.
Yeah, it's crazy. I've never seen that happen.
You ready to slack me, Royce? No, just one. You ready? Yep. Oh!
Good old.
That's plenty. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, ouch. Oh. Damn brush. There'll be one right there. Gonna make a little movement. I like the looks of them blue skies. Yeah, right up here. A little bit of movement. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. It's that one, it's not choked. If they don't come out. What are we doing, Wyatt? We don't have nothing for a turn on it. It's two little hemlocks and a little hardwood.
Well, it looks like my skid rind friction's gone then or something, because it's flipping backwards.
There's a bottle of that Fuller's Earth under the cab there. You may have to tighten that skid and friction up too.
Copy. I've just never done that before, so I'll do my best.
Hell, Rich is there. He can help you. You can try putting the Fuller's Earth on it first, and if that don't help, then you'll have to tighten the friction. But in order to tighten the friction, you're going to have the rigging on the landing, because you got to leave your lever in the middle so that your friction's not engaged. Now let me try. I just did it again.
Not that much of a turn, but skid line pretty tight.
Yeah, the clamp's open. It seemed like it did that to me a couple of turns ago too. I thought it felt like the clamp was still closed after I opened it. Well, maybe the clamp just didn't open for us. Your haulback's just dumping off in the draw though.
So it was not clamped, or I'm confused right now.
I blew the whistle twice. I don't know if it unclamped or not because I could hear the line tinging like it was really tight. So I honestly don't know, Wyatt.
10-4, so I'll just go ahead on it.
Yeah, just keep going. If it does it again, then we'll go from there, I guess.
Yeah, blue sky so really comes and goes real fast.
It had the clamp in a bind because it was tight. So I guess we'll just have to keep an eye out for that. If it doesn't seem like it's picking, slack him off, then do it again. Because remember them first few days when we first put it on, the Skyline clamp wouldn't open? I mean, I know the whistle's going in, but... Damn, my hands are cold. This is ridiculous. Yeah. If you blow it, if you blow it too fast or something, then it honks back the FU. Honk. I hate that. It's like, oh man, you make me feel like a retard. Yeah, it's crazy. Holy crap, watch them tops, guys. Watch that haulback. What the heck is going on back there?
I don't know. Unless it's something breaking and dropping the haulback lower and lower and lower.
We didn't blow a tree over on the haulback, did we?
Not that I know of.
Well, you think we would have felt it if a tree fell on it?
At least saw it.
Oh. Yep. The heck was that? Come on. Ouch, damn it. Watch yourselves. Whew.